I've got the door handle to my Porsche Boxster here. I just wrapped the car, and so I am reinstalling it. And went to attach this back here, and I believe this is the micro switch that lowers your window a little bit when you open the door. And I noticed that if I pull the lever to open the door, this little black thing swings by, but it is not actually making contact with that switch. And I realized when I pulled it off, I think I messed it up a little by knocking the little silver metal piece here off of the button. So I'm going to try to fix this, and just while I was in there, I wanted to show you this little micro switch in case yours ever goes bad or has a problem and you need to fix it. All right, I just removed it and fixed it, so this metal piece should be on top, and you can hear it click when it does that. If you ever need to replace this switch, there's another connection down here that you would just disconnect it from there, and you would replace this wire and the switch. Installing and removing this thing is super easy. It just has these two little pieces that pop right into place here, and you just line them up and press it in. It snaps into place. Now, hopefully, when I open my handle, I can do this with one hand. Yep, now when I open the handle, that thing actually clicks and makes contact. So glad I caught that. So if you need to know how to take your door handle apart, I have another video on that. Here's a link to that, so you can check it out. Yeah, so that is your switch. So if you are trying to open your door and your window is not coming down some to clear your top, that's why. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and sign up to win that car that is up there on the lift, BMW 330ci. Stay tuned for lots more videos. Give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.